Hi, my name is Randy. Welcome to Randy's World. And I hope you have subscribed down here and a thumbs up. If not, then bam! I'm just about to do the shifter kit change. You see these two, there's the bushes there and there, need to be changed. So yeah, we're gonna do that right now. Oh yeah. Done. So get a this type of CD7, plug it in here, give it a twist, it should come out. So these do go off, and so this is the kit. That, and this. This is the shifter thing. I think the shifter is in here. In here somewhere. Okay. Let's have a look. So that's done. Now, put this back. Yep, that's it. And then clip it. Well, I guess we don't need this. This is for the actual 5-speed manual gearbox. This one you don't need. I don't see anything on it. Put it back. Put these pins in so it doesn't come off. Yep, done. Alright, keep these clippers. These are about. So one of rubber is actually pretty worn out. Yeah, so it's a good time. You see, this is cracked, bro. Not good. Might as well change it to solid. So yesterday I replaced the shifter bushing. So this one, it's already worn out. So you can see there's a crack there. Once when you shift, there will be a little bit delay, or not shift into gear. So you can see there's a little twister there, and this one's straight. This one's solid. So this one is actually better than this one. So I upgraded to these ones. And then usually the kit does come with 2 of these pins on the bottom there, right there. There's 2, so 1 here and 1 here. This one you need to take that pin off at the back here to lift it up. This pin here, take that off. Use pliers and lift that up. Put this in. Otherwise you can't put it in at all. There's a restriction on it. Nah, it's actually got that clicking sounds much better. Before it was like now it's got that shifter, actual shift sound.
That's right after you change the bushing, or what?
Yeah, right after changing the bushing, and now it's all solid bushing. Much better.
So there's not much travel.
No, it doesn't affect the travel, but it's more crunchier. You can feel the actual gear. Actually, shifting the gear. Yeah, so yeah. Since the change and I shift before, it's not as good. Now it's got that crunching sounding click in place. Did the steering wheel as well. So the home button, the part I took out is take out all these bolts, and there is a little ring in there, and just take that out. You can fit this in, but you need to grind some of the area off as well to make it fit. And now once you put it on, it shouldn't move at all. So see, perfect fit. So the next episode will be cam belt and some turbo bits if I have that time. And yeah, stay tuned. Have a big thank you to you guys for the subscribing my channel. I'm up to 60 at the moment. So I am thinking I'm giving away some key rings to you guys. Yes. I'm waiting to 100 subscribers, and the lucky 4 will have some key rings. So I do have quite a few. I got Impreza keyring, HRC keyring. These are racings and Musion, and yeah, key rings. So I don't know, I'll just randomly select one, and you guys can tell me what you like. So Honda IV Tech and Musion, and then Tom's, and then motorcycle ones as well. These are all really cool key rings. Bright Seat, Low Max, and Initial D. I know what you guys are thinking. Initial G. This is Tofu. So if you guys really like the keyring, and I'll just choose the 4 to 5 lucky winners when we hit 100 subscribers. So please stay tuned. Oh, thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe down here and give us a thumbs up, and any comment, just comment in below. I'll get back to you, and I'll see you on the next video.